Okay guys, last test. Okay, mirror folds in, back windows going up, front windows going up. All right guys, all good to go. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another video for you. The windows are taking a long time to go up when I hit it. Sometimes it even gets stuck. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna try to clean the channel. I'm not doing the door panel, I'm just gonna clean the outside here, and hopefully that can help. If not, I may have to take the whole door panel out and trying to clean it up. But let's see if the preliminary stuff I do will help clean it. If that doesn't work, then I gotta do more work basically. So let's see if that works. Let's clean it up and see what happened. Let me show you what I mean when they're going really slow. But normally I'm supposed to do that, hit the alarm, and my window's supposed to go up. Look how slow this is going. Actually today is this one went all the way up. Let's see this one, the first two front. Look how slow that's going. So I think the channel, look, see, it gets stopped. It doesn't go all the way on. This one stopped here, and look at this one, did not even go up one bit, and this one stopped. So basically my plan to trying to clean the channel, see if that helps. So let's try it guys. Let me show you guys, going down is really not the problem. See, that goes down fairly fine. So it's going up. So my plan is to clean this channel here, especially in here, and see if I can make it better. Let's go. Let's try it here first. So guys, let me show you what I purchased. I bought all this stuff on Amazon hoping this would help me. These are brushes. Let me take them out of the bag. Hold up. So guys, I bought this, there you go, this dry repellent, dry lube to help. Then I'm gonna use the brushes and use this guy to help clean it up. So let's try it. Okay guys, so let's try it. Hold on. So what I'm gonna do first, spray water all over the channel. There you go. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Hopefully that will help fix it. Pretty dirty guys. Let's do the same thing on this the driver's side. Really dirty guys. Let's see if that makes a difference. Let's give it a quick try. Wow, that already made a difference guys. That already made a difference. But I want to clean it really well. Let's see. All right, so these two, let me see if it goes all the way up. Okay, I gotta clean this one some more. See, this one didn't go all the way up. Let's clean it some more. So guys, to make sure I clean everything all the way through the channel, all the way down, I'm gonna quickly take out the door panel and clean all that stuff. I'm pretty sure this should make a big difference in helping the window goes up. So let's take out the door panel quickly. So to take out the door panel, you gotta take this little end piece first. It's right here. You just pop it up this way. Then you gotta pop this off. There's a 10 millimeter. There's a Phillips right here. Take out the Phillips. Down here there is another Phillips. Let's take it out. You need to take out this, so you just pop it from here. There's a little hole. There you go. And then use this trim removal tool. Pop it from the bottom. Now unplug it. Then there's 2 more Phillips right in here. Then now we need to pop the door panel. Okay, I want to take out the door handle. There's 2 Phillips in the back. Okay, the door panel is out. All right, there's a hole right here. I'm gonna go through this hole to try to clean out the channel. So the other one will be through the speakers. I don't want to take out the speaker. All right, well, I'll try to make it work. So I see the channel in here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna do the same thing and clean out this channel right up here. All right, looks pretty good. All right, how am I going to clean? Hold on a second here. I think there's a hole here. All right. We can make this work. Oh, that's good. That's really good, guys. Put a little bit of dry lubricant on there. Let's test the window. Looks like it's working a lot better for sure. So far so good. So I think this one is done. Let's go to the next door and button everything up here. So to take this door panel out, you have to lift this like that and then unplug the tweeter. Wow. There you go. Then pop this little cover off. Take out the screw. Same thing over here. Then we need to pop this off. Plug. Plug. Okay. Then pop it off. Then take out the door latch. Okay, so I'm just cleaning the channel just like the other one, guys. Okay, put some dry lube on the bottom. All right. Okay, let's try the other side now. Clean up. Okay, dry lube again. All right, guys, let's test it now. much better. Put a little bit more lube. Okay, try it again. A lot better. Okay, now let's put everything back and go to the other side. Okay, now I'm just connecting everything, guys. Just putting the door panel back. Okay guys, let's go to the other side. We're gonna start in the back door. Let's go. Okay guys, let's try this real quick. Okay, let's see how it goes. Lock. Oh, so much better. That makes a big difference. Now the front might get stuck because I didn't do the front yet. Look like it's going up. Okay, we'll clean the front. Good. And this one went up all the way up, and this one all the way up. That's great. All right, I think I'm doing something really good, guys. Whew, super hot. All right, now let's go open up the car again, unlock, and then put the windows down, and then we're gonna do the last door. Actually no, before we do the last door, we're gonna put everything back on the back door and then finish the front door. Last door but not least. Okay guys, looks good. See the window go up. Fast. I like that. Let's clean up a little more. Okay guys, windows are done. Test them out one more time, then we can call this a done. Let's go. Okay guys, last test. Okay, mirror folds in, back windows going up, front windows going up. All right guys, all good to go. Love it. Okay guys, this project, look all the sweat, look how wet my shirt is. Anyway, I had to get this one in. So this project is all done. Window works great, just needed to be cleaned. So I'll just monitor them for the next couple of days, see how they do, to see if I need to go back and do another cleanup. But anyway, this is all done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Thank you again for watching. Until the next time, peace.